magbe-breakfast na po tayo. So, samahan niyo ako pumasok sa loob. Punta na tayo din sa ating table. Tara, samahan niyo akong kumain. It's time for me to eat. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Dito tayo kakain. Hi everyone, we are here at our building in LifeWave and in South Korea. So join us. Tara, visit tayo. We are here in LifeWave South Korea. Say hi everyone. There's a big event coming. Tomorrow mangyayari to. LifeWave office. Oh my gosh, this is the office and they are already here. So, ganito po yan. Yung office natin. So, this is the training room of LifeWave. Ganito po siya kalaki. And this is how big the training room is. Kumusta mga friendship? I'm here walking in South Korea. Nasa business district po kami ngayon. And ayan. So makikita niyo yung aking view na napakaganda. Ayan. So papunta kami sa lugar kung saan bilihan ng mga murang pasalubong. So join us here. Adventure tayo. So maraming mga bus dito, iba-iba. Lalaki ng building. Grabe. Sa totoo lang. Ganito kalalaki. Ang building here in South Korea. Makikita mo. Sa totoo lang, right now pinagpapawisan ako. Kasi naglalakad lang kami. Because sabi malapit lang daw. Pero yung hampas ng hangin talaga, kailangan mo mag-wear nito kasi hindi magkakasakit ka talaga. So, ito yung experience natin here. So, nandito kami ngayon and then tatawid lang kami sa street na to with the gang. Pero kung LifeWave. So, hi everyone. Nice smile! Smile and a big heart.
There's also here.
Okay. Pak. Korea. Bye. We are at the Gangnam District. Try natin to. Cafe Lion Cakes and Boutique. So, samahan niyo ako sa loob. Here's another place here to eat. At Ben's Cookies. Look, kung gaano kasarap ang kanilang mga cookies. Wow. Delicious. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. So nice, so nice, so nice, guys. This is so nice. Look, another great place dito yung tinatawag na library. Check this place out. Look. Look at this. Napakaganda ng lugar. Check it out. We're here on the subway. How nice this place is. Grabe. We're going on subway. Amazing. We'll buy ticket. We don't have any load. So, katry namin kung may mga laman ito mga card namin dito sa machine. So, we'll check. So, later, we will let you know kapag nasa subway na kami. Papasok na kami ng train. This is it. We're just tapping this. Uy! Here. Alright. Muntik pa ako maiwan. My God. Hindi niya natap. My God, we're here at the subway. So we're going down. This is what's happening right now. I want you all to witness. Mababa tayo ng subway. And si Lolo, si Lola, ng mga walang kapaguran. Full of energy. Grabe. This is it. Opposite side pala tayo. Ayan, gusto ko saan tayo makakarating. Going on the other side. We're going to Myeongdong right now. So, this is what's happening. Samsung Station. We are here at Samsung Station and we're going to Myeongdong. Oh my gosh, it's Cassie. Idol ko ang mommy mo. Thank you so much, it's Cassie. Can I please have a photo?
Make sure maganda ka. Maganda kay Casey.
Dito pangit na siya.
Hindi ako.
Hindi, maganda.
1, 2. Another one, 1, 2. Thank you so much,
Can I give
Cassie.
you something? We are here for our company.
It's Cassie.
Sige po.
won't get tired.
Snabi. The Villaruels. Twins.
For energy. Jelly Devlin is using that.
Oo. Your aunt, your tita.
Press your
Another.
The jelly, hindi si Janice. So,
for extra energy.
what a lucky day. Guys, so
Nagpa-picture ka na?
we have it on our back.
Joe.
So you can get without effort. New technology from the so palabas na ng train. We just have to tap where? Ayan. Okay, here. Tap. Alright. Nakalabas ng train. Woo! Congratulations. Shop Adventure. Another great place here. Everything 3900.